Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legends. Today we are flying in Finchley in North London. So without further ado, let's take off. So I've already done a drone flight in Finchley, but I haven't done it in this area where I'm standing. Right, it's a nice open area. It's basically at a junction. I'm in an island right now, and we're just going to do a drone flight from here because I get to see every single side of the area. We're in London Borough of Barnet, so yeah, let's explore this area. When I flew in Finchley, it wasn't actually properly part of Finchley. It was in the town centre, but I didn't get a proper shot of it. I remember I took off at some place and then I couldn't get a shot of the town centre because I went far. I went to a little park and then the battery ran low. Alright, 360 photos now complete. We're now just going to zip around. So, it's actually baking today. 30 degrees, hottest day of the year, 2026 so far. There may be hotter days than this, but it's absolutely baking. I took my phone case off because when I just flew in New Southgate, my phone got some FPS loss, and actually I'm already seeing some FPS improvement, so there's no FPS loss, and we'll see how it progresses. So right now it's alright, taking the phone case off actually helped. Oh dear, I spoke too soon. As soon as I said that, the FPS just started doing the exact same thing. So taking the case off didn't work. I think because it's exposed to the heat, I thought it wouldn't work. And so I was right. So yeah, it didn't work. We're still getting exact same problem. We're getting 15 FPS. It's not good because we can't get smooth footage. We can still fly properly, but it's just not good for our video. Just not good for our flying. I mean, the drone itself, you're watching it in full 50 FPS, so it doesn't affect the drone at all. It just affects my phone. My phone's affected. Let's just go to the area of Finchley. What should I call this drone flight? I reckon I'll call it Henlys Corner. So I'll call it Henlys Corner. If I bought the screen, not the DJI controller with the screen, I would have none of this problem, but there's no point, like, just costing extra money just for like a screen. I mean, it is really convenient, but I find that using the phone is not that much of a hassle, so that's why I might as well just use the screen. I mean, if you prefer not having a hassle, then yeah, you should go for the one with the screen. It's got a built-in operating system of Android, which is actually kind of cool. Let's get a shot of the A406. So I got my mini 4 battery again charged, all from solar. All my drone flights are solar nowadays. Let's go down towards sunny Barnet. We're in the London Borough of Barnet. we'll do, get a shot of coming towards here. It's quite hard to get a smooth shot. Let's go in sports mode. See, like I'm overshooting it. Let's follow a car coming back here. This is really hard to get a smooth shot. Got a fast speed, look at that. Actually it's not really moving, traffic, but when it moves we're gonna get a nice shot. Actually let's go the other way. Look at that, that's a sick shot. It's quite hard to get a smooth shot with this low FPS. Let's go a little bit backwards. What we'll do, get a shot of a car coming this way. We keep up with the same speed, look at that. That's a sick shot. It stopped, but we can do. We can go towards the Barnet area. I mean Finchley area, what I'm talking about. We're on London Borough of Barnet anyway. Enough for getting shots like this, because it's really hard to get shots like this. Check this out. See, like I'm losing so much FPS that I keep going in the wrong places. I'm going to the wrong places. See, look at that though. Look at all these houses over here. I've never seen anything like it. Look at. Let's stop getting these shots now because we want to use the battery for this. Look at these solar panels. It's like a whole little village here. Look. The phone's actually baking like in this heat. I need to use another device that doesn't like lose FPS. What device can I use though? Let's get a shot of this area down here. Look at that. What we'll do, let's get a shot of the cars coming down. When the traffic lights turn green, we'll do that. I want to do this again. We'll give it another try. We get a real sense of speed the lower we go. Look at that, it's crazy, isn't it? How fast they're going. Amazing, isn't it? Let's turn around and let's get a low down shot now. Same speed as cars, look at that. We slowed down now, so what we will do, let's go down to the south side. See, I find it difficult to get these shots in this weather because the FPS is like so low. See, look, I'm going towards here, like it just suddenly changed. Like for half a second, I lose from 15 FPS, it goes to like 0 FPS, then I can't tell where I'm going after that. I mean, I can tell where I'm going obviously with the drone, but I just can't tell what footage I'm getting, like where I'm panning the camera. I can't tell where I'm going with the camera, like what footage I'm trying to get. So yeah, the perks of flying in this weather, you get nice footage, but the downside is that I get this problems with the FPS, frames per second. We're going towards Golders Green now. Look at that. Let's go down towards this area. I haven't checked out this area first. I need something to shade my device from this temperature. Not temperature, but like heat. What we're going to do, we're just going to turn around quickly. We're going to follow a car coming back. Nice shots here in this area. Let's get a shot down towards here. You know what I want to do? I want to get a shot of a car from the behind, like the behind shot. See, look, I always shot it. See, when I lost FPS for like 1 second, I couldn't tell what I was getting a shot of, and then when it comes back, it just shows something random. That's exactly what's happening, and I don't like it at all. Look at that sight, that's shit. Nice shot. Gotta be careful. We don't hit any lampposts. Obviously we're not going to hit it, I can see it. Look at that. Let's follow this car coming back. Amazing shot, isn't it? Imagine it. See, I'm going too fast. I should have waited for the cars. Alright, let's just land the drone now. So, got amazing shots here in North London, Barnet, Finchley. Got to be careful we don't hit the big lamppost. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in North London, London Borough of Barnet, Finchley. So without further ado, I'm going to end this drone flight now. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.